In this video, I will be showing you how to connect Canva website to PayPal. The first thing you will need to do once on Canva, you're going to select websites. Then from there, you can select the type of website that you would like to create. I'm just going to be selecting a blank website. Once you're on the website template, as you can see right here, all you'll need to do now, you're going to open a new tab, and I want you to go onto elfsite.com. This will be the platform that we'll be using to connect PayPal to Canva. So once on elfsite.com, you're going to select widgets in the top left hand corner. After selecting widgets, you're going to scroll down and you're going to see PayPal button. You're going to tap on that. After selecting PayPal button, from here you can see different template options that you can choose from. So you can choose either the checkout button, you can select either the donation button, or so on. I'm going to be leaving it with the checkout button right there. So I'm going to tap on continue with this template. After selecting continue with this template, right where you see seller PayPal email, you're going to enter your PayPal email address right there. Once here, all you're going to do now is simply paste in your PayPal email address right here. After you have pasted in your PayPal email address, from there you can select the payment type. So you can choose whether it is checkout, donation, or subscription. So you have 3 different options, as you can see right here. If it was a case that it is subscription, you could select that, and then from there you could select recurring subscription, and you can choose the billing interval, whether it is monthly, daily, or yearly, or weekly, and you can also choose the currency and the price right here for your subscription or item. So let's say we were to select checkout, and I'm going to be listing my item for $5. So I'm going to clear the price right here, and I'm going to type in $5. After doing that, all you'll need to do now, you could add in the product name. So I'll call it test. Then once you're finished, if you would like to redirect them to a URL after the transaction is completed, you could do that by pasting in the URL right here. You're going to tap on add to website in the bottom left hand corner. Once you have tapped on add to website, all you'll need to do now is tap on close in the top right hand corner, and you can see our button has been prepared. All we'll need to do now, we're going to tap on install. Then from here, I want you to tap on share link from the top menu option, and you're going to copy the link. After you have copied the link, you're going to go back into Canva, and you're going to go over to the left hand menu option and tap on text. Then you're going to select any text box, and you're going to simply pull it into position where you would want it to appear on your website. And then from there, you're going to tap on the 3 dots, and you're going to tap on link. After selecting link, you're going to paste in the link that you have copied. Then from there, you're going to tap on display mode, and you're going to select embed. After selecting embed, you can see that the button has been added right here, and you can pull it into position, as you can see it there. And if I were to tap on preview, you'll see how it looks. So let me select preview, and you can see the button right there. And if I were to tap on the button, you can see that it automatically opens the checkout page, and you can see the product name, test, the price, and so on. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.